Hello world, welcome to Java training, and in this session we are going to discuss about polymorphism. First, see the definition of polymorphism. It basically consists of two words, poly and morphism. So poly means many and morphism means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism basically means that same activity that happens differently in different situations. Activity name will be same, but it will be happening differently in different kind of situations. Now let's see how polymorphism is seen in real life. Let's take the example of dog. So dog has one of the activities smell, right? So when dog smells food or bone, it wags its tail. But when dog smells cat, in that case, it barks and run behind the cat. So you can see the activity is same, that is smell in both of these cases, but it is happening differently in these two different situations. So this is one of the example of polymorphism. Now in Java, polymorphism happens in two ways. First one is method overloading, which is known as static polymorphism, and the another one is known as method overriding, which is dynamic polymorphism. And this happens when we have inheritance or parent or child relationship between two classes. Let me open the Eclipse and show you. So this is the dog class that we are discussing from quite a while. Let me create one method or activity smell, and the same activity name, that is smell, I'll create one more activity. In this case it's cat. The name of the activity is same right here in these both cases, but it's happening differently. So in the first case, when dog is smelling food or bone, it wags the tail. In the second case, when it smells the presence of cat, it will basically bark and run behind the cat. If we have same activity name within the same class, it is known as static polymorphism or method overloading. I have a separate video where I'll discuss very detailed examples of method overloading. I just want to give you the idea of what method overloading is. In method overloading, the number of parameters or the order of parameters is different. I'm not going into that detail as of now. We will have a separate video for that. Now we see how the polymorphism looks in Java classes when we have inheritance. Okay, so these are two classes. First one is parent class and second one is child class that extends parent class. So child class is a subclass of parent. In parent we have method named m1, and in child also we have method named m1. So this activity name or the method name is same in both parent and child class. So it is known as method overriding or dynamic polymorphism. So in this case, the method signature, the parameters, everything will be same. Only the implementation differs. At both places, implementation is different. In method overloading, the number of parameters or the order of parameters are different, but here parameters, order of parameters, everything will be same. Only implementation is different. So this was the example of static and dynamic polymorphism. I'll discuss method overloading and method overriding in very detail in my upcoming videos.